In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Cry of Fear co-op on Steam. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase how you can create a server for Cry of Fear in 2025 to play with your friends. For this, you will need an external tool, so unlike other games available on Steam, you can't simply just join your friend through a dedicated server. You will have to connect to each other using Hamachi or Radmin. For this video, I'm going to use Hamachi as the example because I believe it is most popular, and a lot of you should know this program because it is used for many games in order to connect with your friends. But Radmin is essentially the same thing, so if you prefer to use this one instead, it is also going to work. Simply download Radmin or Hamachi, only choose one of them, and open the program that you selected. If you downloaded Hamachi, this is how it looks. First thing, power it on. So click on the power button and you will see this change from offline to ready. Now in here, create a new network. It doesn't matter who creates it, but the network will allow you and your friends to connect to each other in order to join the server. So create a network by inputting an ID and then confirming the password here. Note these down. It doesn't matter what they are as long as you can remember them, and your friends will choose the option to join the network that was just created. Once you have everyone in the same network, now on the home screen of Cry of Fear, choose the option to host a server. So whoever is going to be hosting clicks this, chooses the map, configures the game according to the preferences, and then starts the server. Once they get inside, they will be able to choose a character here in the co-op lobby. And then what they have to do is open the console. Open the console and type sv_lan space 0. So only the host has to input this command, sv_lan 0. When the host is done typing this, everyone else who is going to be able to join will use the IPv4 from the host. So the host should copy the IPv4 address being displayed on Hamachi, so click on the IP here, and then copy IPv4. Don't copy the IPv6. With the IPv4 copied, share it with everyone who is going to be joining, and they will be able to type connect, then space, and then followed by the IPv4 that you gave them, assuming you were the host. Once they press enter and they send this message in the console, they will connect into the server that is being hosted. And as long as you set up Hamachi correctly and all of you are on the same network, you will be able to play together. If it doesn't work, try disabling the Windows firewall temporarily. If it works after you disable the Windows Firewall or Windows Defender, then all that you have to do is make an exception for cryofear.exe, because sometimes Windows might block the executable for the game. But if you make an exception for cof.exe, it is going to be allowed through the firewall. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Cry of Fear co-op Steam. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.